I am a representative of Rivne Interregional Medical Cluster. I am a head of this cluster in the west part in Ukraine, and I am a head of Resources Center of Medical Cluster of Ukraine Cluster Alliance. It's an alliance of all clusters in Ukraine in different economic areas, but we have some medical clusters that collaborate together, and I will say some information about this. We have 8 medical clusters today in Ukraine. If you see, they covered all part of Ukraine, not only west or center or south. It covered east part of Kharkiv, Dnipro. It's very closely to battlefield, only 100 kilometers. You see the map of the Ukraine, and you see that all our medical cluster covered all region, all Ukraine, not only west, center of Ukraine, but also east part. And now we have new members of our resources center is Volyn, it's west part of Ukraine, and Kiev manufacturing clusters. And we collaborate in hospitals, 72 hospitals, 12 universities, 10 manufacturers, and 57 companies that working in the area of healthcare. Our office and our needs of our cluster is different from west part of east part, because east part of clusters needed more humanitarian aids, more helping for the people there, the hospitals, but always all our clusters need developing, and it is a good opportunity to us to connect with all over the world, to say that Ukraine need the partners to develop in our healthcare sector, and what we need. Next. Yes. Because Ukraine is a big country from 40 million of people, and we have some good knowledge in developing, in manufacturing, in IT sector in Ukraine. We want that all our partners look to us as a one point to join the Ukrainian healthcare ecosystem. Because we have many collaboration in our clusters. We offer access to our ecosystem of medicine and health in Ukraine. We propose networking and matchmaking in Ukraine Cluster Alliance, not only in sector of healthcare, but health food, health clothing, and another different collaboration projects that we can make in our ecosystem. Okay. We offer the collaboration in the reconstruction of Ukraine using innovations about the smart clinics, digitalization, robotics, digital health, and this area of innovation is very interesting to us. And the last is very interesting collaboration we will start in the European project, such as Precise EU. It's a project about the personalization medicine, and for 5 years we must to develop collaboration between 12 innovation value that we create in Europe, and in Ukraine we create such innovation valley of medicine in the Rivne region. And next project that we win only 2 days ago and received a letter from the EU about the winning of our project Clusters for Health. We collaborate 6 medical clusters in Europe with Ukrainian clusters, medical clusters, to bring this knowledge how to develop clusters as a rule, and to create new opportunities to our Ukrainian clusters. It's very interesting project that we only start now, and for next 2 years we must to bring these new collaborations to our Ukrainian medical clusters to develop them as the Europe and other countries the medical cluster develop.
Mm-hmm.
What we're looking for. We are the most important project for us is to bring upskilling, reskilling our doctors, our nurses, our medics in Ukraine, because it's very hard situation with people. We have 7 million people that arrive from Ukraine, that they go to another European countries, and we need to reskilling our people to another jobs. In healthcare area, it's very important because it's all about the skills, not only knowledge, but these people, these medics must have the simulation trainings center, and we want to build this innovation training center for simulation, not only from pre-medical assistant, but about medical skills, like teaching of nurses, medics, and others. This center we want to build with creation, innovation with virtual reality, on another innovation methods that we can join and know from another partners of Europe. It's very welcome to. We are looking for these partners. Next topics, it's very clear, very important for all our Ukraine, is innovation and digitalization of our Ukraine. From this QR code, you can read about the big conference that provide for our government 1 month ago in September. 1 month ago in September, that they discuss what they do and what they did in the area of digitalization. You see that 35 millions of people in Ukraine connecting in the health data. We have an ecosystem, eHealth, that connect all information about the patient in all the clinics of Ukraine in one big resources, and we want to collaborate with another partners in Europe and all of the world to develop this ecosystem of health data, and to help our clinics, our patient to be healthy, to be more effective in treatment of people. That's a very important area to our government, and we collaborate with them to provide new opportunities with this collaboration. Now we are collaborate with a Netherlands company, Technopolis, and Anastasia Konstantinova, and provides this only one project to bring this digitalization to Ukrainian hospital, maternity hospital from the start. But we are looking for another partners in this area to develop this. And next topic is have many branches. It's a rehabilitation. They start from mental health to physician rehabilitation to manufacturing prostheses, not only for our soldiers but for our all people that suffering from Russian injury. They haven't legs or hands, and it's only a child that we must to choose this prosthesis several years from their lives, because they are growing. It's a production of prosthesis, production all the tools of rehabilitation. We need to collaborate in this area. And next, very, very important is to teaching our medics, our doctors in the new methods of rehabilitation. And if your partners, and if you have these opportunities to collaborate, to teach our doctors and medics, we are very be happy to join this project, because it is about the life of our not only soldier but all our people. It's very, very interesting and very big topic that you can collaborate, and we very happy will be very happy to collaborate in this topic. And as a conclusion, it's my LinkedIn and my contact that you will, if you have any project for Ukrainian healthcare area, you may contact me, and we connect you with partners, with our clusters, with our universities, to develop new innovations, to develop new effective results of our problems, of our issues. It's a main topic of rehabilitation, innovations, training of people, upskilling, reskilling, maybe exchange the experience of treatment of injury. Ukrainians have a good and a big knowledge in this area, because it's really the new area for our medics. It's very important to us to collaborate with all over the world to help Ukraine ecosystem, to healthcare sector, to survive and to develop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tatiana.
I have my if you have questions, you may say.